We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button. Tell me when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So Bbig stock had an explosive move today. We're going to break it all down in today's video. Some key levels to watch and why did this happen. But Bbig stock, while it was going higher, the overall market did as well. And our SPY bot since 8:15 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up after the bell in the continuation, 500% plus within hours, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now become part of this as well and gain access to it. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So we're going to break down in today's video what Bbig just did and how this actually happened. It has to do with the filing. Some of you guys are probably already aware of it by now, but we're going to break down what the chart is showing. And in the last several days, I had shared what Bbig stock on 42 vision was implying with these levels, and that's what we're going to break down. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. It was phenomenal, cannot be overlooked, and this is what we strive for every single day. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Now, this is the one stock I was watching this morning. It was AVDL. And we caught this one in the pre-market under a bull indicator and consolidating after it started pushing up. And towards the bell, it jumped up nearly 10 to 20% plus, pulled back down, and took off to a highest point of 90% plus, guys, within an hour. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Finco Ventures Inc. After this explosive move, we are seeing it consolidate. And as I stated earlier in the video, 42 vision was showing key levels of extreme weakness with a possible opportunity to go ahead and reverse. Now, this reversed a lot quicker and a lot stronger than we anticipated. And it has to do with the filing that was actually reported earlier today. And then also news headlines and articles are starting to report on this. Now I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So Bbig stock went from being under a bear indicator from way up here at 285 to a bull indicator today at this consolidation and pushing upwards nearly a total amount of 10% plus. Now, and what caused this run and momentum so far, and how could this be bullish moving forward? Well, it has to do with 5 narrow lane LP buying a huge stake and having to file a 13G earlier today. And then 22 million shares of common stock was bought. And the percent of class represented by the amount in row 9, as the statements state, 9%, nearly 10% of their portfolio, I believe, or position is in Bbig. This is a pretty bold statement from 5 narrow lane LP, and we need to see if other institutions start to do this as well. this could be the start of larger institutions joining on in at this type of amount in size, or even others getting squeezed out of their positions if they're shorting it. And here is the news once it came out. This was just a few hours ago, and this was posted a few hours before that, around the middle of the day, when the reaction actually happened on the charts, guys. So we're gonna break down here what the different chart time frames are showing. And as you can see here on the 4-hour, you could see that it's still under a bear indicator, since way up here at 290s came downwards towards the 240s, and it's trying to transition from red bars to red with green borders. And I would like to see this on 42 vision continue into dark green, and also get a bull indicator in the process to possibly even cancel these out. Now to the 1 day here, you could see it's been under a bear indicator since 292, and within the volatility, even when it tried going back up and went all the way back up to the 3s, no bull indicator popped up, and this bear indicator has been dominating over the chart. Right now we are in consecutively 2 red bars here. I'm going to be watching if this could shift back up to either red with green borders or a dark green bar like it did here when it tried coming back up. Now this time around on the 1 day, if it does try to go back up, I would like to see a bull indicator to cancel out this bear indicator. That's the key thing I'm watching here on the bigger time frames for the 4-hour and the 1 day. But on the 30-minute, we have a bull indicator, and the first support is 230, and if it breaks through that, 220 would be the next one. And to the upside, we want to see this break above the high of the day, 257, and most importantly, 260 is the key level I've talked about. If it continues to reject that, the bears are dominating over this chart and putting pressure on the bulls. But if the bulls can break above that and use it as support and push up even higher and get back up towards 285 and $3, the bulls are going to dominate this chart and put pressure not just on bears, but on the shorts, and squeeze them out of their positions. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. These are the key levels I'm going to be watching going into Monday, and watching closely how 42 vision reacts. We were in a dip area. We're in a rip area right now with these green bars, and we need to see if they can continue. And if not, this could be just a quick momentum trade or dead cat bounce. But this is pretty big news here with this filing, putting in that much money into this stock. There has to be some type of confidence, or they see opportunity of this possibly squeezing even higher, or something similar of that sort. So we're going to be watching this carefully. This is pretty exciting, and what an explosive move here for BBIG. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.